Yo, what's up everybody? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. Okay, so I'm just thinking of things I can do to occupy my time, and this was one of them. So I have three 16 gauge coils with 280 turns in them, and one of them has a trigger strand of 26 gauge. So right now I'm just testing out the one coil on this transistor. It's stacked up on one of the other coils so it get enough height to be in the zone. You can have a large air gap, but you don't need one, so you should just not have one. It should be a mediocre air gap, a few centimeters to a centimeter. Usually the hit zone is a centimeter away from the coil. So all right, I'm going to turn this on. It's 3 volts. You think that would be enough to get it going, huh? But it's a 26 gauge trigger, so you gotta give it a little boost. So this is 3 volts in. We are going to be drawing about 700, I think, maybe 500 at the end once it gets going. So this is just that little coil on the top, or medium. I'm going to call it a medium-sized coil. It's freaking awesome. Yeah, I don't know what that noise was. It was rattling, so I turned it off. The noise went away. 3 volts. Freaking sick, dude. This is a 3 volt system. Seriously. I'm not joking. You don't want to turn this bad boy up. You don't. And it's just this little coil right here, 16 gauge and 26 gauge, hooked to one of the transistors. Let me see if I can. One of those. Sweet. That's awesome. Now it does have ceramic bearings. Wow. And it's still picking up speed, man. It's not done yet. Wow. I want to enclose that and let it run, dude. That's freaking awesome. That was still picking up speed. But I don't want any damage. It's far too much fun to just have it all fall apart with 1 second. I mean, it takes less than a second, actually. But yeah, man, just messing around. We can hook up more to this power supply if we want. We don't want to though. We just have the option. I might hook a Hall effect sensor up to this, and then hook, the trigger strand of it up to the base. You know why? Because it's a 3-volt system. You need 5 volts, I think, though. Let's see if it'll work at 5 volts. Five volts. Wow, dude. Wow. That's that power that I've been like looking for. 16 gauges. 16 gauge. 280 turns. Around that bobbin right there. Wow, dude. Wow. Mind is officially on fire. It's blown, man. That's freaking cool. I mean, it's going so fast, it sounds like a train. Wow. Sorry, I said that like 18 times in this video already. That's with zero resistance, though. There's no resistance on this except for what's in the coil, and I can guarantee that's very little. That's awesome, man. Having a 16 gauge coil open all the way up, having the transistor be able to take that and turn it into this. Freaking awesome. Well, that's it for tonight. Or for right now, anyway. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Please subscribe. Bye now.